Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Rich for WELSHYTECH, and today I have two parcels here from AliExpress. Okay, so I got two products here. I've got a wireless, Bluetooth or wired gaming mechanical keyboard, and then I got a motherboard. Now, where I got these from is actually on AliExpress. And what we're going to do first of all is have a look what comes in the box, and then I'm going to give you overall like function set and stuff. So let's get to the keyboard first. Now the keyboard is a gasket structure. It's 80 key mechanical keyboard with a cool backlight effect. Now the keyboard is Bluetooth. It's also wired as well as wireless. So it can work with a dongle or it can work through Bluetooth, which is quite cool. So this is just a little manual. I'll tell you everything perhaps in English. Let's have a look. Okay, never mind. Cool. I like that. It looks cool. Yeah. So now this keyboard's quite nice. It's 80 keys, so it's not exactly a small keyboard. In regards to like other keyboards, you can get obviously smaller ones, but this one is a white with a blue tin, and this is very clicky. It feels really nice to touch. Now, like I said, it's got three functions. It's got Bluetooth, wired, or 2.4G, sorry, with a wireless dongle. It's Type-C connection, which is fantastic. And the actual build construction, it's okay. It's got flex to it, but this isn't a high-end keyboard because this keyboard only costs about £37, which, in this day and age, that's an absolute bargain. So, yeah, right, let's get this on. Okay, so, to change the speeds of this, okay, let me turn the light off. Right, so, to get this to work, this is what you do. So, there's a, here, you press that, and it'll give you different functions for the keyboard, different lighting effects. Also this one, and this is more of an explosive one. This is where you just press key and it goes nuts. This one has a different RGB effect completely. The overall RGB illumination is quite nice. It does look like it's a backlight, so it looks like individual LEDs. Now, but this isn't bad. I like the RGB, and yeah, I like the functionality of this because it's quite. It's not small by any means, but it's also not the biggest keyboard. It's not a full layer keyboard, but it looks nice. I like the backlighting, and I also do like the look of the blue switches or the blue keycaps. They look really, really nice. Now, to adjust it, you can just scroll this. This is for the LED lights. And then obviously to change the functionality, and you press that, like that. It's really nice. So, like I said, I got two products. Let's get to the other one. Okay, so this is the other one. Now, this is a motherboard. This is one of those bundles you can buy on AliExpress, actually. The ones with, like, the old Xeons or the old CPUs you can buy from, like, X99 or the X99, X79. Is it 79? I believe it or not, I'm not sure. But, yeah, it comes with a back plate, comes with a SATA cable. That's pretty much it. But this one was more interesting to me because this is a Xeon processor. Now, I've never, ever touched a Xeon in my life, and I thought this was just cool. This is a Xeon, Intel Xeon E5 2630V4, and it comes with an M.2 motherboard. Now, yes, it is in dual channel, so you can put 4 DIMMs here, but obviously, because it's a Xeon, that's where it is. I believe that's 8 gigs. I believe it's 8 gigs, so this motherboard is like wacky. It's got like loads of SATA ports. It's got NVMe ports here, which X99, I believe X99 didn't have any, or at least the first generation anyway. So you got 8-pin here, you got the 24-pin, and this is cool because I'm going to be doing some testing with this particular board. So, yeah, let's get some testing into that keyboard. Okay, so how's this sound? The keys sound nice. They do sound really, really nice. Now let's get some actual typing testing on this and see how it performs. Okay, so we're going to do a type test, so let's go. Okay, so these are the results. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not the best or the fastest typer, but it says words per minute 25 with an accuracy of 82. That's actually not too bad. And then, of course, that's the graph. So, yeah, I mean, for £37, I mean, to be honest, you can't really moan. I mean, it's actually not bad for a £37. So, yeah, awesome. Shopping Festival starts now. There's not only a box draw, but there's also coupon codes. There's millions of them for discounts. The coupon codes here on the screen, you use these to get percentages off on any item you buy from AliExpress. If you join my team, you can get a 10% kickback on everything. You can earn points by completing daily tasks such as signing in or browsing and placing orders. The higher the points, the more cashback you get. Use the link in the description or just use this QR code that's going to pop up here. Join my team and start earning today. The higher the points, the more cash you get back. Click my link in the description or of course just scan the QR code in the video. Come and join my team and get 10% off your next checkout. So this doesn't actually last forever. This is only starting from the November 1st all the way up to December 1st, so make sure you get in there and start earning extra points. And also, please make sure you place orders and get those sweet discounts that are already on the screen. How to join my team? Well, if you hit the link in the description or if you hit it or scan this QR code that's going to show up on the screen, well, you can do that by joining my team. And as always, it's Rich for WELSHYTECH. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend and week ahead of you. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.